Alright, so here we are again, making another thumbnail. This one is for Portal. Here is my template that I created when I created the Deadlight template, the Deadlight thumbnail. So now I have this to use, and I'm just basically going to kind of walk you through me using this template real quick. So I take a screenshot of the start screens of all the games that I've been playing. And so, sorry. And let me see here. Where is Portal? Okay, so then we just drag it over. We drop it in. There it is. And then this one's actually in 1080, which is interesting. It's alright. You drop that here. Take. And Portal is right here. We're going to take that though, and we're going to see if it needs to be smaller. Oh, no, it's... Go ahead, hold it. I don't know why it was like that. Well, just for this one, because of the title and everything being over here, what we are going to want to do is we're going to want to take this and we're going to want to move it over here, up right there, and then we are going to drag it. 15 is the amount that I like to use to give it some space. We're just going to call this plays text instead of top left, because plays text. There we go. And actually these colors actually work pretty well for this, but we're going to just adjust them a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to lock this. We're going to come here and we're going to go with the outer border, which I like to be darker to differentiate from the YouTube background. So when you're looking through videos, this one pops out a little bit more. So I'm going to hold control, I'm going to click the picture over here, and it's going to select all of that. And then we're going to go in and grab the eyedropper, and we're going to pick, I like this color right here. Okay. And then we're going to see how this looks. We're going to Control D. Okay, I'm not mad at that. And then we're going to grab this very kind of clean white, pearl white gray that you see on all of the, like the doors and the cameras, and you see a lot in the game. We're going to grab that, and it's a gray. And it might just blend in, so we'll see how it looks. It's actually pretty good. I think that works. Something I may consider is putting, because this is white, so I could take this, and that's something that I should have probably done from the get-go. Right? It's too big. Not quite the same, is it? Maybe this way and this way? Alright. That looks like it to me. There's a little bit of the white in the background. Over. Just barely, right? Let's go like this. Oops. What did I do? Nope. Let's redo that. Control-Shift-Z. So basically, I'm just trying to figure out right now if it makes sense. Nudge the data because the layer is locked. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Nope. 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 That's on top. Perfect. And then, so what we'll do is the 1B plays text, and we're going to actually make a subcategory for this. See, these are the things that we're figuring out, right? We're figuring out that we need a white version and another one is the black version. So we're going to grab this one, and that's up here. Oh wait, no, that's not right. This. And then this one and this one is going to go in here. And then we're also going to hold Alt and drag that up into here. So now you have duplicates. And what we'll do is we'll take this, select all of that to here, and we're going to click black. Then I'm going to click this and over here and hit Control and click on this image here, and it selects that. Whoops. That's what we want to do here. Make sure that this doesn't have anything else attached to it on accident. So that's what we have there. Whereas episodes. So then we'll have a duplicate of this. Select it and turn that to black. Okay. This will be episode black, episode white. And the reason that shows in through a little bit is because when you zoom in here, you can see, well, this kind of little gray here. This is a partial, like this is solid pixels. This is a partial pixel. And so what happens is this is partial white pixel. And so it's not as, it's weird how it's slightly different even though it's exactly the same thing. It's literally, like I copied the exact layer, but, so yeah. Anyway, we're going to want I guess honestly what we're going to do is we're going to do white text and black text. And then we're going to take the white one here and we're going to put that up there. And then we're going to take this one. And we're going to move that up here. Turn that off. Then we have the black text, and I am so confused. So this is this. Oh yeah, this is the white. We're just going to do this 1B plays to simplify. And then we're going to call this title. We're going to call this title. White title. Black title. And then this one can actually go, right? We can just get rid of that. Something weird happened there. Let's see, this is the plays part. I don't know, we want this to stay. Black text, black title. This makes so confused. Let's go like this. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so now, somehow I got so confused there. So we have the episode, which is down there. And then we have the title sequence, which is there. So we're good there. And then the same thing here. Let's turn that off for now. We have the episode thing in black. And then we have the title in black. Okay, perfect. So this version will be black. As you can see here now, I just do this and then turn off this one so that there's no weird outlining. And then you close that one, or you turn off that one and turn on this one. And that's how you end up with, this is my template, right? My template, and then I just go to export, and I believe we have to double check this. So what we want to do is we go into Video Producer on Twitch, and we see how many episodes of Portal am I going to have, and it's a 2-hour, 50-minute playthrough, all done on one. So I'm probably going to end up breaking that up into 3 videos. And so what we're going to do is we're going to grab the text here, and we're going to go 1, check mark, file, export, quick export as. We're going to need a new folder here for the thumbnails. We're going to hit Portal. Then we're going to go Portal. Is it YouTube? Is that what I've been doing? YouTube thumbnail episode. I'm just going to put Portal episode. Portal thumbnail episode 1. So when I try to do these naming schemes to keep them differentiated, I usually add like a V1 at the end, like version 1. So this is episode 1. But basically you get what it is, right? This is from Portal. And then this is exactly what it is. This is kind of the descriptor, and then this is the version, right? So you get like the name, the descriptor, and then the version. And that's basically how I've been switching up my naming scheme for everything. So next we're gonna do 2, and we'll check the mark. You can also hit enter, I think. And we'll do this. Click on that, and it just sets up my scheme, and then I can just go in here and change the number. And so what we're going to do is we'll try it this time, number 3, and I'm going to hit enter. Enter does not work. We're going to backspace just so that the enter's gone. I'm going to check mark, file, export, quick export, click this one, change this, save, done. All right, so we have significantly increased the efficiency of our template, which is something that is important to get these things done quickly. So here we are. So I did this morning I created the backlog thumbnail template, and so now I also have I've updated it. So let's see, created Portal thumbnails 1 through 3, EPs 1 through 3, episodes, EPs. And I've also updated backlog thumbnail for black and white text. All right, and then this is good. I think we're in a good place with this, and basically I'm documenting everything in my journal here, and I am trying to document everything that I do creatively along this whole process of getting all of my backlogged video clips over to YouTube. So that's coming from what I have in my hard drives and what I have from Twitch VODs, and that's basically getting all this stuff over here. I'm taking you through the process of creating a thumbnail, and maybe later today, I've done some video editing portions, but that's something that I'd like to do. That's a pretty quick process, and then you'll kind of get to see how my process is and how I'm documenting it all, and basically how I'm creating new content while putting out content. That's kind of what my thought is right now, is creating content that's helpful as well as putting out content. And it's all going to be bundled up in one YouTube channel, because it's all about seeing my creativity and progress throughout a period of time. I really don't want to be breaking up a bunch of channels for creativity and for gaming and It's, I'm one person, so I only need one channel. I am looking to do a branding channel, which will be for the community that I run. We're in the process of rebranding. Currently, it's the International House of Gaming, but we're wanting to be more inclusive of outside hobbies besides gaming, because games basically come and go, and so by in the past I've had interest lost when we go from playing one game regularly to another, right? We kind of lose members, and I kind of want to keep people around, keep friends around, keep them in touch, and have interaction with people still. So that's the community front. That's a whole other topic, but basically this is graphic design, thumbnail creation for YouTube, and that's that for this. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.